this video, I will guide you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click on hot side power button. After just click on hot side power button, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on mobile hotspot. After turn on mobile hotspot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on this reset, so you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.